Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £7,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels and the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the blue exterior paintwork, we have the LED daytime running headlights, we have the glass black front kidney grills, the glass black front splitter as well. We also have the adaptive M suspension. We have the M Sport Plus package, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, with the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. With the technology package, we also have the shark fin antennae, with the rear spoiler lip as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras. We also have the dual exit exhaust as well with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you'll find we have the full leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts just there as well. Fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest in the centre. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, again full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated. And there is a look at them. We have again the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights, the ambient lighting, auto wipers just there. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters either side. You have the speed limiter and the cruise control just there. Digital dashboard as well up top. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, a range of media, the Bluetooth phone connectivity, all the different drive modes and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.